Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video right there because somebody forgot to do their intro. That somebody being me, because I am an idiot. But anyway, hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to be doing this gold pink eye makeup, almost gothic looking makeup. I think that's just because I'm pale, that's why it looks gothic. But I did take inspiration from this photo right here. This girl's called Nyan, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I will link her Instagram below so you can see all her pictures, all the makeup she does. She does incredible makeup, she's a beautiful girl. But anyway, I think it's time that we jump straight into the video. Enjoy! So to start off today, I'm going to be moisturising my skin using the No. 7 Beautiful Skin Day Cream. So I'm just going to put that all over my face. Yeah. So as usual with any of my videos, I tend to just jump straight into the eyes, so I will zoom you in for that. So first of all, I'm just going to take a concealer and I'm just going to put that onto the eyelids. I'm then going to blend that out, set it, and that's just kind of like priming the eyes for me basically. And then just blending that out with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. And then just setting that in place with any powder that you have. I'm just using the e.l.f. HT finishing powder. So now that the eyes are set, I'm going to be taking the I Heart Makeup Rose Gold palette, and the first colour we're going to be taking is just this pink shade here, and with a fluffy brush I'm just going to put that into the crease of the eye. And then just with that same pink, I'm just going to keep building it up until it's at an intensity that I feel is right for me. So next I'm going to be taking this gold colour. I'm going to be placing it on the outer corner and inner corner, creating a sort of halo effect on the eye. And I'm just using a much more densely packed brush just so the pigment is more vibrant. Then just taking this yellowy gold colour, I'm going to be placing that in the centre of the eyelids. Then I'm just going to line my eyes using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So now that the eyes are done for now, we're going to move on to foundation, and today I'm using a new foundation that I've never tried before. This is the Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in the colour F1, and yeah, I've never used a stick foundation before, so it says it's supposed to be quite dewy, which is usually the reason I tend to stay away from stick foundations, is because they're more matte and my dry skin cannot handle that. But this one says it's okay for dry skin, so let's give it a go, I guess. I'm then just taking a Real Techniques buffing brush and just blending that all in. And then further blending it in with my Real Techniques sponge. Okay, yeah, it's not too bad a foundation. It matches my skin nicely. It does seem to be setting into my lines already, which is a bit worrying. I mean, I will set the foundation, but I've never known foundations to kind of set in that quickly. And it is clanging. And it is clinging onto my dry patches a little bit, not majorly, a little bit, so I don't know, it's a nice foundation I guess. I don't mind it too much at the moment, but we'll see how it goes. So then taking the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 05, I'm just going to conceal. I'm then just going to set my under eyes using the e.l.f. HD finishing powder and this brush, which is actually a contour brush from Real Techniques. And then just with a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to set the entire face. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because they take way too long, so I will see you guys in a second. So now that the brows are done, we're going to move on to contouring, just using my Makeup Revolution contour palette. I'm just going to be chiseling out my cheeks and doing a bit of contouring on the forehead. And then next I'm going to be highlighting with the Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. And then continuing with the eyes, I'm just going to be taking the first pink colour that we used and putting that just underneath the lash line. I'm then just taking a Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. This is the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Bedroom Black, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. So then I'm just taking this pencil brush and I'm just going to diffuse the eyeliner that we've just put in the waterline. And then just going back in with my fluffy brush and once again just blending underneath. And then for lashes, I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Sensational Lashes. I've never actually tried this one before, but I've heard good things about it. So let's just see. Oh, that was a satisfying sound. Okay, so it's not too bad a mascara, it's quite clumpy. So I'm just going to take my Charlotte Tilbury full flat lashes just to kind of separate them a bit. So for lips today, I'm going to be mixing two colours. I'm going to be mixing these Barry M Matte Me Up, and these are the metallic shades. I'm using the shade Avant-Garde, which is the purple one, and Prestige, which is the red one, and I'm just going to mix them together on my lips. So here you go guys, here's the finished look. As you can see, I've added some hoop earrings to add to the kind of glam gothic look that this is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it the good old thumbs up, and if you fancy it, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Watch out! The floor is lava!